How to install post-dock connector brackets. Post-dock connector brackets are used to join dock sections together. Start by positioning the first connector bracket on the bottom edge of the post-dock frame, about 7 inches from the corner. Ensure the unused channel is outside the dock frame. Using a 1/2-inch wrench, tighten the set screw. Next, position the second connector bracket 7 inches from the opposite corner on the same end of the dock section. Each bracket should be about 2 inches in from the pocket. With both connector brackets secured, lower the next dock section into the open bracket channels. Tighten the set screws on each bracket to secure the two dock sections together. Repeat this process for each section of your post dock until installation is complete. Contact your local Portadock dealer with any questions.
No matter how you enjoy lake life, Portadock has what you need. Crafted for the lake, made for memories.